Hello, amazing students. Welcome back to another exciting Entrepreneurship Studies lesson. Today, we are going to talk about something very important, something that can turn you from just a student into a real-life problem solver and future business owner. And that topic is enterprise projects, with focus on product development and community projects. Now listen carefully. Every successful business you see today started as a simple idea. Someone saw a problem and decided to solve it. So today, I want you to start thinking like an entrepreneur, not just a student. What is an enterprise project? An enterprise project is a practical business activity where students create, design, or develop a product or service to solve real problems in their environment. In simple words, it is learning entrepreneurship by doing entrepreneurship. Why do we do enterprise projects? We don't just study entrepreneurship to pass exams. We do it because it builds real business skills, it develops creativity, it prepares you for WAEC and NECO practical questions, it helps you become job creators, not job seekers. What is product development? Let's break it down simply. Product development means the process of creating a new product or improving an existing one to satisfy customers. So it is not just thinking, it is thinking, designing, testing, improving, and launching. Let's look at stages of product development. It is very important for exams. Let's go step by step. We have idea generation. That is number one. This is where everything starts. You ask, what problem can I solve? Example, students complain about expensive lunch. You think, what if I create affordable snack packs for them? Right? Then we have research. You check, do people need it? Will they buy it? Is there competition? And number three, we have design. You sketch or plan your product. For example, packaging design for your snack. Number four, prototype. You create a sample product, not perfect, just a test version. 5. Testing. You ask others, does it work? Is it useful? What should be improved? For 6, launch. You introduce it to the market or school community. What is a community project? A community project is a business or activity designed to solve problems in your local environment while creating value. Examples include waste recycling projects, school hygiene campaign business, affordable food service, clean water initiative, school transport solutions. Why community projects matter? They matter and they help to solve real problems, to improve living standards, to create jobs, build responsibility, and encourage teamwork. Now let's look at real-life examples. In Nigeria, we have waste recycling startups in Lagos, local fashion designers solving clothing needs, student food vendors in schools, clean water sachet production. Globally, we have Tesla solving environmental pollution, Unilever product innovation, IKEA sustainable furniture, Google solving digital communication problems. Why this is important for you? Looking at the WAEC and NECO view. Now listen carefully. This is very important for exams. WAEC and NECO do not only test definitions, they test understanding, application, real-life thinking, and problem solving. How evaluation works. Let me teach you how examiners think. Number 1, definition of questions. For example, you are asked to define product development. This is what they want. They want clear meaning and simple explanation. So here should be your answer. Product development is the process of creating or improving a product to satisfy customer needs. For number 2, explanation questions. For example, if you are asked, explain stages of product development, here is what they want. For you to give them step-by-step explanation, logical order, and simple language. For application questions, for example, how can students use product development to solve community problems? And here is what they want. They want you to use real-life thinking, to use your creativity and give local examples. So your answers should include problems in community, business solution, and benefit to people. For objective question, here is an example. Product development begins with A. Selling, B. Idea generation, C. Packaging, D. Marketing. The correct answer is B. Idea generation. Always start from the beginning stage. Now for higher order questions, which is very important, here is an example. Why do some products fail after development? They want thinking, not memorization. So here is the possible answer you should give. Poor market research, bad design, high cost, lack of customer need, or poor promotion. Now for practical class activity, pause this video and try this. Think of one problem in your school or community. Design a product that solves it. Answer this. What is the product? Who needs this product? And how does it solve the problem? Today, entrepreneurs use technology like Canva, design products and branding. For ChatGPT, they use it to generate ideas and business names. They also make use of Google to research market needs. They use YouTube to learn product creation. And they use technology like social media to test business ideas. But remember, AI helps you think better, not replace your thinking. Your assignment is this. Create a simple enterprise project. Include product idea, problem it solves, how it works, who will use it, and simple sketch or description. Today, we learned meaning of enterprise projects, product development stages, community projects, importance of entrepreneurship, real-life examples, how WAEC and NECO set questions, and the use of AI in entrepreneurship. Students, I want you to remember this. Entrepreneurship is not about big companies first. It starts with small ideas that solve real problems. If you learn how to think carefully, think creatively, solve problems, and develop products, then you are already becoming a future entrepreneur. Because in real life, businesses are built by problem solvers, not just idea thinkers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Stay creative, stay innovative, and stay entrepreneurial.